Zakovali vas da Bog nas tražiš ti, djavola!
Show me the way! Am I really gonna defile this grave for money? Of course I am! Jackpot! What kind of place is this? Fire! Potatoes?
Exploding in!
I think we have a few minutes before he gets here. Oh! He's right on top of us!
It's gonna take a lot more than potatoes to bring this baby down! Oh, maybe not.
Yes, well, anyway.
First of all, congratulations, Mr. Krabs.
Hello, I like money.
What inspired you to build a second Krusty Krab right next door to the original?
Money?
Dance, Squirrel, dance!
Advanced hairdryer style!
What do you expect to do with that? Oh, no! Not the chopped lips! Oh!
Krusty Krab is unfair! Mr. Krabs is in there, standing at the concession, plotting his oppression! Wait, you said 8 o'clock. I'm late for work. Mr. Krabs is gonna be... Mr. Krabs.
What?
I have the restaurant surrounded. Give me the secret formula or I'll destroy the Krusty Krab!
Ah, you and what army, Bug?
What army? What army? Look around you, Krabs!
You planted grass?
Grass?
Who turns him in?
He seems kind of angry.
Order. Check out this new clarinet solo. Whoopsies, that wasn't my clarinet.